Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play NFS Heat. To begin, familiarize yourself with the fundamental controls for driving, drifting, and using nitrous boost. The game features a dynamic day-night cycle, offering distinct racing experiences. During the day, focus on sanctioned races to earn cash for upgrades and new cars. At night, engage in illicit street races to build your reputation, which unlocks new events and parts. Mastering both cycles is key to becoming the ultimate street racer in Palm City. The core of NFS Heat revolves around its unique day and night system. During daylight hours, participate in official Speed Hunter Showdown events to accumulate significant cash. This money is vital for purchasing new cars and performance parts. When the sun sets, the streets transform into an underground racing scene. Night races are where you earn reputation, which is essential for unlocking new content. Be warned, though, night racing also brings out the Palm City Police Department in full force. Customization is a huge part of the NFS Heat experience. Head to your garage to explore a vast selection of vehicles, from classic muscle cars to modern supercars. You can significantly enhance your car's performance by upgrading its engine, chassis, and drivetrain components. Beyond performance, personalize your ride with an extensive array of visual modifications, including paint, wraps, and body kits. Don't forget to fine-tune your car's handling to match your preferred racing style, whether it's drift or grip. Evading the Palm City Police is a critical skill, especially during night events. As your heat level rises, the police become increasingly relentless, deploying stronger units and tactics. Utilize the environment to your advantage, smashing through destructible objects or taking daring jumps to lose your pursuers. Successfully escaping a high-heat pursuit significantly boosts your reputation gains. Always remember to reach a safe house before getting busted to bank your hard-earned reputation and cash, ensuring your progress is saved.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.